loaded truck collided with a train while crossing the railway track, creating a huge mess. To prevent such accidents in the future, it was decided to construct a bridge to make transportation safer and more convenient. Hulk was called in to help. First, he loaded all the required materials onto his mini-tractor trolley . Headed to the construction site. Without wasting time, he began the building process. The foundations were laid deep and strong. Steel and cement pillars were installed firmly. And a sturdy bridge roof was set up on top of them. Once the construction was complete, the surroundings looked pleasant and peaceful again, with the new bridge standing proudly over the tracks.